Would you like to pursue a career in emerging fields? How would you like to ace your tests and get homework done faster? bitWise Academy brings immersive and interactive learning experiences to school and college students and redefines the possibilities of distance education. We are recognized as a top 10 distance learning platform in the United States. Our #1 AI-driven platform provides STEM courses with certification, visualization and simulation of concepts for homework help, a world-class assessment engine to improve test scores, and live tutoring help when necessary. Every course has multiple assessments built in, and students will receive the bitWise certificate upon course completion. Parents can track their students' progress from the parent dashboard. The reports provide detailed analytics, insights, and track student activity. Knowledge concept graphs provide a cognitive blueprint of the student and show the concepts mastered. Join bitWise Academy and change your future.